We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is said as mare, mare. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as mayor, 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 mayor in American English versus mayor in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.